Okay, he's reacting there. Michael Jaafar, he's saying, and there's another part where he says that the shooter is there in the middle. So it seems like he does have some knowledge.
Yeah, no, he does. So look, I've vacillated between agreeing with both of my co-panelists. Right up until today, I was in the Michael Sterling camp on this, which I don't think there's criminal culpability. But I think the evidence that you just showed shows that, to me, I think he crossed the line, because I wanted to understand, what would I do if I was in that situation? What would I do if I was under that anxiety, right? So what did I do? I went to AI. I said, compare his duty handgun in power with the AR-15 rifle that was used by the assailant. And so what AI told me was, if you want to compare those two handguns by way of animal, his handgun was a guard dog, and the AR-15 is a tiger in the wild. So to me, I thought to myself, for sure, this guy should be found not guilty, because he was not, his training, because what Michael's saying is, his training is not this automatic thing. I agree, right? Because he's still a human being. He's not a robot. But at the end of the day, man, that's all he had to do, and he did nothing. Just the video of him leading on the wall today, and just leading there for a long time, just, to me, it just rubbed me to a point where he's not being charged with murder. He's being charged with low-level felonies. So perhaps it's going to stick.
Does it rise to the level where you should be charged with a crime and be facing the loss of your freedom? But
not just him.
Because it was a tragic,
Michael,
it was unquestionably tragic.
Not just him, not just him.
I just want to add something. Again, I was in the Michael Sterling argument up until today, but here's the thing. He meets the elements, Julia. He meets the elements of the crime he's charged, because he's not charged with murder. He's not charged with any kind of premeditation or reckless murder. He's not even charged with manslaughter. He's charged with a crime. I read the elements. I think he meets the elements right on the nose. I don't see how he gets out of a conviction.
We will see what happens. We have to leave it there. Thank you all.